Okay.
Okay. Come up here. Hold the top first. And I'll get on the front. You get on the back.
Oh,
We'll go together. Not really. Okay. Ready? One. Two. Oh, hand!
What?
I think it broke my hand. I think I broke my hand.
Oh, my elbows.
I think I broke my hand.
Where's your? Let me look at it. Let me look.
Ouch!
Let me see.
I can't move it.
Okay.
It really hurt.
Did you break it or sprain it?
I don't think it just. I don't really know. It hurts. Don't laugh. It really hurts.
I'm sorry.
Why do I hold the sides? I'm never hanging with you again.
On the side.
I was afraid. I was afraid.
So hold on.
I was afraid.
Your fingers could have gotten burnt on this.
You're
My
right.
butt bleeding.
No.
Okay, let me look at it. Right there. Oh, your wrist. I broke my hand. Okay, that's.
They're part of my hand.
Okay, let me see them.
I can't move my hand. I can't move my hand. It's really hard to breathe. I don't want to do skateboarding. I can't move it. It hurts.
Getting
Ow! It hurts! Don't squeeze it!
red because it's burnt.
I can't.
Does it feel like hitting your funny bone?
No! It feels like burning the inside of my esophagus. Ow! You hit me. Okay, I need you to.
Okay.
Ow! Your hands are hard and sandy. Wipe them off. Now bend my fingers. See if they'll bend. Ooh, ooh. Ah! Feels like I think I broke this one.
Yeah, that one's.
These are
Ow. That would hurt. Okay. Oh, my butt is bleeding. It really is. Okay.
That stinks. My finger's broken.